Question 3. Express 3 plus root 3 I all enclosed to power 3 in the form a plus b root 3 I, where a and b are integers. Where a and b are integers. Okay? So what do you do now? So this form is a Cartesian form, or you can call it a rectangular form. So the step 1 is to put this given problem, draw the Argard diagram. That's the first thing we need to do. The real part is 3. The imaginary part is root 3 also. Is root 3. That's root 3. This is the origin. The distance from this origin is what? Is the modulus. Is modulus. Okay? Then you can represent the complex number. You can represent the points. You can represent the complex number as 3, 3. Okay? So that's that. You can also call your modulus is also the same thing as what? As this. So here is your alpha. Then the modulus is equal to what? Use our Pythagorean theorem. That's a 3 squared plus what? Root 3 squared. 3 squared. This is 9. That's what? That's root 12. So which is 4 times 3, and that's what? 2 root 3. So that's the modulus. So let's get the theta, which is the arguments, the theta. That will be, when in first quadrant, that's very good. That will be arc10. The vertical, root 3 over 3. So that's pi over 6. Pi over 6. Okay? So therefore, we now have now, let's write first in the polar form. We now have my modulus is 2 root 3, 2 root 3, open your brackets, and then cos pi over 6 plus I sine pi over 6. Okay? Then don't forget the power there. It will affect this will equal to 2 power 3 times root 3 power 3. Okay? I'm applying the Moivre theorem, and that will be cos. This one times 3, that's a pi over 2 plus I sine pi over 2. So if you multiply these two, we have 24 root 3, and then cos pi over 2 plus I sine pi over 2. Okay? Cos pi over 2, this is 0. Okay? And this will be 1. This is 1. So open the brackets, so just add 0 plus 24 root 3 I. You correspond your answer 0 plus 24 root 3 I equal to A plus B root 3 I. So equate the equation together. A is 0 and then B is what? The attachment to your I, you can see, okay, B. So B is 24. B is 24. Okay, so that's that on this question. Yes, yet to subscribe, please click on the video and do that straight away. Okay, click on like button. You can type your comment now. And finally, you can share this video on all your social media platform. Okay, you can share it as many times as possible. Thank you for doing that. Join the next question 4.